Did you know that there's really only one time that the court is going to actually pay for the jurors' lunches? Do you want to know when that happens? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law in the state of New York. So now when you get called in for jury duty, you have to go ahead and sit there for the entire day, and if you get selected to be a participant, to participate as a juror on a case, whether it's a medical malpractice case or an accident case or a wrongful death case, at lunchtime the judge is going to send you out to have lunch each and every day on your own. Now, if there's a cafeteria in the courthouse, you might choose to go there. Otherwise, you're going to have to find your lunch outside or bring something with you each day. There is only one time that the court is actually going to go ahead and buy the juror's lunch. And you want to know when that is? The only time that's going to happen is during the course of time that you are deliberating on a particular case. Only then does the court want the jury to stay together as a whole. They don't want you going out for lunch. They don't want you going somewhere else. They want you to stay in the jury room and deliberate. They want you to come to a consensus. And they don't want you going out, finding your own lunch, wasting time. They want you eating your lunch and continuing the deliberation process. That is the only time that the court will actively go ahead, take the jurors' orders, lunch orders, and have lunch brought in for you. And now that will happen for every single day that you are still deliberating on this particular case. And if it means 2 days, it means the court will buy you lunch for 2 days straight. If you're still deliberating after the third day, again, the same thing. The court will go ahead, order your lunch, and now they will pay for your lunch. So that is the only time that the court is actively going to go ahead and pay for your lunch. They will have it picked up and delivered to you and handed to you by the court officer. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you because nobody tells you about this. Nobody talks about this. And I wanted to show you how this process works before you ever get into the legal system to begin with. You know, I realize you're watching this because you likely have questions about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened here in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at Oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.